HOTH stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Hoth Therapeutics stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. $2.11, 180% up. What I'm going to do is just going to zoom out and show you my previous buys, which was such a bearish buy. Like at the time when I made the video, the price was out like somewhere there and then came down to 80 cents, went up from 130 to 80 and then zoomed up. Since like we broke the structure, everything is going to be removed. But I'm not even exaggerating when I see I've seen like movements like this happen thousands of times, and I've done 34,000 videos, you know, so I'm not exaggerating when I say this. In a situation like this, I'm just looking to double down on this bullish market. Like I'm looking to really double down on it. And I'm talking it's like 5-minute double break if it happens, bro. I'm longing the crap out of it. Like short term, you know, it's nothing long term. I mean, no comment on long term, but for right now, that's how it looks like. And it's only for now and not forever. As long as the rules are met, I'm moving forward. So I'm keeping you updated. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and neat way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.